Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the country or region in Windows 11 step by step. Changing your country or region can affect the apps, services, and content available on your device, so let's get started. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language from the menu on the left. Next, select Language and Region. Scroll down until you find the Region section. Click on the Country or Region drop-down menu. A list of available countries and regions will appear. Select the country or region you want to use. Windows will automatically save your selection. Some Microsoft apps and services may update immediately, while others may require you to sign out and sign back in or restart your computer. If needed, restart your PC to ensure all changes take effect. After your computer restarts, return to Settings, then Time and Language and Region to verify that your new country or region has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country or region in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.